Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this body is a flywheel, and flywheel is very important for and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student. And this is a final project is designed here, and all part is assembled here. And this is a flywheel, and flywheel is this body, and this is isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all view is easily you can see here. And this is a valve design project and all assemble body, and one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is this assemble body is okay. And this is this lecture is design here today. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, this is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, and today learn here. And all point is one by one is discuss here. Okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, this body. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. This is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing all detail value is top view, then top plane is very important. Okay, and select a top plane, sketch. At first drawing a reference line, going to this two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and at first drawing this body, and this top view, and this center point to this length is 25 millimeter, and this upper length is 13 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 13 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter. Okay, and draw a circle. Two circle is drawing here. First is this, and second is this. Okay, and connect to line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and and this angle is a 23-degree angle, and this angle is a 23-degree angle. Okay, and this mirror entities, select here and select this, and going to mirror about this. Okay, and again select a mirror. Both line is one by one is select here, and going to mirror about this. Click OK. Okay, all extra portion is delete here, and trim this, and all extra portion is trim here. One by one is trim. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is this is a 3 radius. This is a 3 millimeter is a fillet is used here, and going to this sketch fillet. 3 millimeter is this to this, and okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect. And and this is a use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this 6 mm and 6 degree angle, because upper face is a 6 degree angle is twist, and going to extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 mm and 6 degree angle upper side is twist here. Okay, this is a perfect and okay, and this upper face sketch normal, and again drawing a this line, and this line is cut out, and this line is 9 mm and 21 mm is reference line, and a reference line and center line is this also. Okay, and this is a 9 mm and this is a 21 mm. Okay, and again two circle is drawing here. First is this and second is this, and okay, and this circle is this. Okay, this is delete here, and select this circle, drawing here this to this. Okay, and again connect this to this. Okay, and this line, and press a control button, and this line is a parallel. Okay, and again select a mirror is this, and about mirror this. Okay, and again select a mirror, both line is one by one is select here, and press a okay, and select this and click OK, and all extra person is delete here, and this and all extra person is delete here. Okay, and this fillet is 1.2 mm, also fillet is 1.2 mm. Okay, and select this, all 4 point is select here and click OK and OK, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, this is a 4 mm is perfect, and click OK, all is perfect and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and also use a fillet is used here, and this is a 0.3 mm, and okay, 0.3 mm is this, and select this face and click OK. Okay, all is a perfect, and select a back side sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this circle is drawing here a diameter is 14 mm, and this thickness is 6 mm. Okay, this diameter is a 14 mm. Okay, and this extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 mm. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and also use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 mm is this. Fillet is 1 mm, and this is a select here and click OK. Okay, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is drawing here 8 millimeter is diameter, and extrude cut, okay, this is a extrude cut is 8 millimeter diameter. Okay, and this extrude cut is a through all is perfect, and click OK. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and next is apply here this square, and this also circle, but diameter is not mentioned here, and this is a very important. This face, sketch normal, and select a center rectangle. Okay, and this center rectangle is this length is 8 millimeter, and also this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, but this dimension is not mentioned here, and this rectangle drawing here, and both dimension is 8 millimeter both. Okay, height and width, and extrude cut is apply here, and okay, this is a perfect, and 6 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is looking perfect, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is a draw here, and this diameter is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude cut is a 2 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and okay, but this dimension is not mentioned here, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect. And going to appearance is a blue color. Okay, this is a blue color is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all side is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay guys, all point is learned here, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important, this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this bodies design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.2 millimeter. This length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is a 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is this is a perfect, and this is a 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. And this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. At first select a front plane. Line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. And this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. And align all dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter. And this is a 2.2 millimeter. And and a relation is this is a tangent. And and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. This is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. And this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. And this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. All dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. All is perfect. And going to this revolve base, and going to this, and click OK. All is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this. Click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 26 millimeter, 26.2, okay, and this is a okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line, okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle, okay, and this distance is a this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct, okay. And next is very important, and going to this 45-degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this, okay, and this is a perfect, and dimension is a this to this is a 45-degree angle, okay, and exit, okay. And again select a top plane, and this is a plane, okay, and select a this, okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project, okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset, this is a perfect and correct, okay, and use this is a perfect, okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut, okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide, okay, and select this sketch normal, okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal, okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10, okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and right plane is better, right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line, connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect, drag a circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 mm. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 mm, and again select this line to this 3 mm. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a 2 radius is 2 mm. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 mm. Okay, and next is this is a 5 mm. Again this length is a 5 mm. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. all is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a okay, this is a 4 mm is distance, and this is a 5 mm is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 mm, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 mm, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 mm. Okay, 5 mm, this is 11 mm, radius is 2 mm, and this 5 mm and 4 mm is perfect, all is correct. And again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal, okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 mm is perfect, and this use a 11 mm is perfect, okay, and 12 mm is better, okay, 11 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 mm is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 mm, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface, okay, up to surface means this is a perfect, okay, this is up to surface, okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line to this, okay, a circle is a drawing here, this is a diameter is 3 mm, and this distance is a 12 mm, okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here, okay. And guys, this is a very important, this is a very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 mm, diameter is 3 mm, radius is 1.5 mm, and distance is a 12 mm, and revolve base use this and click OK, OK, and click OK. And this face sketch and use a chromium and click OK, and again select this brush, click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 mm and this to this chamfer and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is correct. All point is discuss here one by one, and thread is apply, length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is select this, and offset is 2 mm and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 mm, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7 and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is mention here is correct. And this is use a 45° is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.